Hey bro, how are you? Okay, so please follow my all step. And first of all, you will open a VPN. This name Proton, and is connected with United States. Okay, it is paid, and some it's only $7 to $8. Okay, so it's very easy. It's very good VPN. Okay, so then here you will type. First, please use my this name. Bansi. Okay, for example, I will only type here Bansi Hotel Service. Okay, first of all, you will verify on this name and this category. Then you will change on your category and your names. You can everything change. Category will select hotel, and then here you will type yes and then next. Okay, and you will next. Then you need to do a address. Okay, so you will type here Miami. Okay, you will verify on Miami. Its city is best and verify is fast. Okay, so here you will search a building address. You can see here this is a building address. Okay, so here we'll type a building address Miami. Okay, when I will type, then everything here okay, then I will next. When you will next there none of this, then again next. Okay, so and this is the main step. You will type here no. When you will type here no, then phone number and website, don't do anything here, skip. Okay, this is the main step of method. Here you will skip, then I will do a next method. When you will this skip, and there you can see this business is verified. Okay, because my VPN best, my Gmail is best, and my process is best. Okay, so when you will skip, then however I will skip. When you will skip however, then again don't do anything photo. You will skip everything. When you will skip everything, then you can see your business is verified in some minutes. Okay, so first of all, this is a main steps you can follow if so your business verify. You can see here 5 days, but no need 5 days. Just wait 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, just wait 1 to 2 minutes. I will reload, then I will wait 1 to 2 minutes. You can see again it's 5 days, but no. You can see here it's verified. Okay, I reload some two or three time, so it's verified. You can see here your business is verified. Here you can see it's in processing, but after few minutes it's verified. You can see it's processing. Okay, but no problem, you will wait some minutes because your business is verified. You can see pending edits, and then it's verified. You can see here your business is verified, so wait few minutes.